Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with YogeshSir. I am Yogesh Sharma and you are watching class 5 MathsMela textbook chapter wise solution, and this is the second video of this series बच्चों. In the first video we have solved first 8 pages of chapter number 1 with the travelers 1, and in this video we will solve the rest of the pages of this chapter. So I'm starting from page number 8, last question, that is let us think. Which are rounded off a number to the nearest 100, summa rounded off the same number to the nearest 1000, both got the same result. Circle the number they might have used. So we have 4 options बच्चों. Which are rounded off any of these number to the nearest 100 and the summa rounded off the same number to the nearest 1000, and the result is the same. So we have to find which is the correct answer. So starting from the first option, that is 7126, its nearest 100 will be 7100 and its nearest 1000 will be 7000, and you can see both are not same. So this is not the correct answer. Coming to second option, that is 7835 and its nearest 100 will be 7800 and its nearest 1000 will be 8000. So obviously this is these are also not same. Coming to third, that is 7030, so its nearest 100 will be 7000 and its nearest 1000 will also be 7000, and both are same. So this is correct answer. We will also check the last option, that is 6999, and you can see its nearest 100 is 7000 and its nearest 1000 is also 7000, so it is also correct. So we have two correct answers, 7030 and 6999. Coming to next page, page number 9. Think and write two numbers that have the same nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. So बच्चों we have to find in a two numbers having same nearest 10. So it's quite easy बच्चों. You can choose any two number like 21 and 23. Their nearest 10 is 20. Okay. Nearest 100, you have to choose two numbers whose nearest 100 is same. So I'm writing here 98 and the other number is 103. Their nearest 100 is also same. Nearest 1000 बच्चों, so you are choosing 980 and 1100, and so their nearest 1000 is 1000. That is same. Coming to third question, think and write the numbers that have the same nearest tens, nearest 100. Okay, so you can see here I have already written the answer. So nearest tens and nearest 100. So 104 is the number whose nearest 10 is 100 and its nearest 100 is also 100. So its answer will be बच्चों 100 or 100. You can also write 103, 102. Not mandatory you will write 104 as answer. It can be 102, 101 as well. So in the second बच्चों nearest 100 and nearest 1000 should be same. So nearest 100 and nearest 1000, I choose 1049. Its nearest 100 is 1000 and its nearest 1000 is also 1000. So both are same. So the answer is 1049, and you can choose some other number as well like 1040, 1030, any number. Nearest tens and nearest 100 and nearest 1000 all are same. So I have chosen here 999 because its nearest 10 is 1000, nearest 100 is also 1000 and nearest 1000 is also 1000. So I'm writing here 999. You can choose any other number as well like 997. Its nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 all are same, that is 1000. So after this बच्चों, coming to next page. So in an hour a person can generally travel 3 to 5 km on foot, 10 to 15 km on horseback, 12 to 20 km on bicycle. So this is the speed given. Like if we are walking on foot, so how many kilometer we can go in 1 hour? In the same way, if you are going in a train, how far you can go? You can go 40 to 160 kilometer, depends upon the speed of train. Okay, so we have to solve these questions. First question is, a cyclist can cover 15 kilometer in 1 hour. How much distance will he cover in 4 hours if she maintain the same speed? So it's quite easy बच्चों. So you can see here distance in 1 hour traveled is 15 kilometer and distance in 4 hours will be 15 4 hours, that is 60. So 60 kilometer will be the right answer. Coming to question number 2, a school has 461 girls, 439 boys. How many vehicles are needed for all of them to go on a trip using the following modes of travel? So these are modes of travel are given, so we have to go find the number how many vehicles we will need for the students. So first of all बच्चों, we will find how many total students are there. So number of girls are 461, number of boys are 439. When you will add both the number, you will get 900. The total number of students are 900. Okay, so coming to a bicycle. On a bicycle, 2 students can sit. So we will divide the total number of students with the total number of students can sit in a vehicle. So when you will divide 900 with 2, you will get 450. So it means we need 450 bicycle for 900 student. Coming to next, auto rickshaw बच्चों, in an auto rickshaw 3 students can sit. So total student divided by student can sit in one auto rickshaw. So we are getting 300. So 300 auto rickshaws will be needed for 900 students. Now if they are going in a car so now if they are going in car, in one car 4 students can sit. So 900 divided by 4 is 225. So 225 car will be needed. Big car, in big car बच्चों 6 students can sit. So total number of students divided by 6, it is 150. So 150 big car will be needed. If they are traveling in a tempo travel in which 10 students can sit in one tempo travel, so total number of 900 divided by 10, it is 90 tempo travel. If they are going in a boat, in one boat 20 can sit, so 45 boats will be needed. If they are going in minibus, in one mini bus 25 students can sit, so 900 divided by 25, it will be 36 mini buses. If they are going in aeroplane, in one aeroplane 180 students can sit, so total number of students, that is 900 divided by 180, that is 5. So coming to next बच्चों, finding large numbers around us. So we saw the distance in kilometer covered by different means of transport in 1 hour can range from 1 digit to 5 digit number. Can we find other context around us that contain number in large number? Let us consider the situation below. A book has around 200 pages and each page has 50 words. The book therefore has about 10,000 words in all. Find something in the textbook whose count is a 4-digit number. Now let us try this with our school. Our school has dash classroom. So our school has बच्चों 25 classroom. There are dash students in my class. So in your class there are 44 students. Our classroom has dash books. So if one student is carrying 4 books, so बच्चों at least 4 books, so number of books will be there. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 and 1 17, 176 books in total. Coming to next page, find something in your classroom whose count is 4-digit number. So you have to find something whose count is 4-digit number. So pages in all notebooks of class, that will be a 4-digit number बच्चों. Next is 5-digit number. Letters written in all notebooks during the year are that will be around 5-digit number. Next question is बच्चों, list some quantities whose count is 4-digit and 5-digit number in context. A tree. ट्री में बच्चों जो है 4-digit नंबर क्या होगा? सो लीव्स ऑन अ बिग ट्री बच्चों, इट विल बी अ 4-digit नंबर ऑब्वियसली. एंड एंड्स मूविंग ऑन अ ट्री इन अ ईयर, इट विल बी अ 5-digit नंबर. कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट बच्चों, you can see here Sanju and Meera are traveling on a train to pass time. They challenge each other with games and puzzles. So Meera poses the river crossing puzzle to Sanju. A boatman wants to cross a river in a boat. He has to take a lion, a sheep and a bundle of grass with him. He can take one of them at a time. If the sheep and grass are left on the shore, the sheep will eat the grass, and if the sheep and lion are left on the shore, the lion will eat the sheep. How can the boatman take the lion, sheep and grass across the river? Help them to so that he can ferry the lion, sheep and grass across the river safely and in the minimum number of trips. So total number of minimum steps taken will be 7. And how it will be done? First, take ship across. So first takes ship across. So ship comes this side, okay, and come back alone. So now boatman will come back alone. Then take lion across. So now boatman will take lion on the other end of the shore. And now in the fourth step, bring ship back. So now boatman will bring ship back. Okay, in the fifth step, take grass across. So now he will take grass to this side. Okay, and now boatman will come back alone, take ship across again. So now in this way, boatman can ferry the lion, ship and grass across the river safely and in the minimum number of trips, that is 7. Come to next page. Sanju introduces a game called Pile of Pebbles to Mira. There are 2 piles of pebbles. Each pile contains 7 pebbles. Each player can pick as many pebbles they want from either of the piles. The player who picks the last pebbles wins. Try this game with your friends. Now how do you play so that you win? To find the winning strategy, try playing with 1 pebble in each pile, 2 in each, 3 in each, and so on. So you have to play this game with your friend and then you will find its answer, bachcho. Okay, question number 3. Now it's Mira turn. She gives a fun puzzle to Sanju with the following steps. Take any 2 different digits, 3, like for example 3 and 7. Make a 2-digit number 3 7 and 7 3. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So 73 minus 37 and you will get this number. Now you use this 2-digit number, 36. So again and 2-digit in difference and repeat the step B and C. So what you have to do here, we got a number 36 36. So the biggest number we can make with these 2 digits 63 and the smallest number will be 36. Now again you will subtract this and you will get again a number. Then you will do the same. You can see here 27, 72 biggest, smaller 27. So when you will subtract this 45 again with 4 5, 5 4 and 4 5, and in the last you will get a single digit number, that is 9. Observe the differences you get in each step above. Do you notice anything common? Try the puzzle using any other pair of digits. What is common to to these differences? What do you get in the end? What digits can you choose so that you get a 1-digit number in the first step itself? Give some examples. Describe the pattern in the digits. So, bachcho, answer the first question. Observe the differences. Observe the differences you get in each step above. Do you notice anything is common? So the difference, like here it is 36, here it is 27, and here it is 4 5. When you will add these 2 digits, you will get 9. 7 plus 2 9, 4 plus 5 9, and it is already 9. Okay, try the puzzle using any other pair of digits. What is common to these differences? So you will try this by yourself. What do you get in the end? In the end you will always get a single digit number, that is 9. What digits can you choose so that you get a 1-digit number in the first step itself? Give some example. So you can see here at the end 5 4 or 4 5, 5 4 and 4 5. Here the difference between these 2 digits is 1. So if you will keep the difference between the digits minimum, you will get single digit number, that is 9 as the difference. Come to the next page, bachcho. Now find different digits such that the difference between number is 27. So you will try this. Mira found an interesting relationship between these 2 digits and the difference obtained. Can you see it in the table that Mira made? So you can see here, bachcho, the digits 3 and 7. Okay, and the difference is 4. 7 minus 3, 4. And the difference of their numbers formed by using these digits 73 and 37, that is 3 6 36. And when the difference is 8 of the digit, their number difference is 72. So you can see here, when the difference of digits is increasing, their numbers difference is also increasing, and when it is minimum, it means 1, their difference is a single digit number, that is 9, and that is smallest as well. Coming to next question बच्चों, write 5 numbers between the number 23,568, 24,234. So we have to write 5 digits in between this number. So I have written here, you can see, write 5 numbers that are more than 38,125 but less than 38,600. So I have written the 5 numbers greater than 38,125 but less than 38,600. You can write some other numbers which are correct. Ravi's car has been driven for 56,987 km till now. Sheetal's car has been driven 67,543 km. Whose car has been driven more? Obviously, whose car? Sheetal's car. Question number 4. The following are the prices of different electric bikes. Arrange the prices in ascending. Ascending means increasing order. Increasing means first you will write smallest, then bigger, and in the end biggest. So I have arranged already. So you can see here. Come to next page. The question number 5. The following table shows the population of some towns. Arrange them in descending. Descending means decreasing order. So these are the population given of town 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to arrange this according to their population in descending. First we will write the name of town which is most populated, and most populated town is town 6. So I have written it first, and the least populated town is town 5, 45,000. So I have written this here. Question number 6 बच्चों, find numbers between this and this that the ones, tens and 100 digits all are 0. So I have written here, you can see. Question number 7, we have to write these numbers into expanded form as it is given here. So it's quite easy, I think you can do it easily. Question number 8, fill in the blanks with correct answer. Share your thoughts in the class. So we have to break this number into tens, ones or hundreds. Okay, so 983, so it is broken into 90 tens and 83 ones. 90 tens means bachcho 900. The number was 983, so we have left with 83. So 83 will be ones. 68, 80 ones is already written, so it means we have the number 68 and we have used from this 18 ones, so we have left with 50. So 50 means 5 tens. Come to next page. 607, so 400 means 400. Okay, so how many numbers left? So 207 left, so 207 will be ones. 5,621, so 4,000 is already written. For 4,000 means 4,000. 2 tens means 20. Okay, so how many hundreds will be there and how many ones will be there? So how many hundreds will be there bachcho? There will be 1600. 1600 means it will be 1600. And how many ones will be there? There will be 1 ones. When you will add all these, you will get 5,621. In the same way bachcho, 20 hundreds is already given. 20 hundred means bachcho 2000. So when you will subtract 2000 from 7000, you will get 5000. So I am writing here 5000. How many ones left bachcho? 69 ones left. 37,000, so 17,000 is already there. So 17, when you will subtract 17,000 from 37,000, you will left with 20,000. 20,000 means 210,000. Okay, so now come to hundreds. So 608, so 608 ones. 43,000, 310,000 means 30,000. Okay, so subtract 30,000 from 43,000, you will left with 13,000. How many hundreds are there? 0 hundreds. How many ones are there? 1 ones. You can do in some other ways. If you don't want to write here 0, if you want to write here tens, if you want to write here 100, so you can do in this way as well. Like 3 tens means 30,000. Okay, so we have left with 13,000. So out of 13, 12,000 you can write here, and 1,000 you can change that into hundreds, and 10 hundreds will be 1000 and 1 ones. Question number 9, fill in the blanks with correct answer. So how many notes of 10 rupees will be there in 7000? So it will be 790. 100 rupee note in 7934, it will be bachcho 79. How many thousands are there in 7900? So it will be 7. How many 500 notes will be there bachcho? So in this case you will divide 7900 with 5 and you will get bachcho, you will get 15. So there will be 15 note. How many 10 rupees note will be there in this? So there will be 66,534. 100 rupees note will be bachcho 653. 1000 rupees note will be 65 notes. 500 notes will be bachcho 130. This question is very interesting. King's horses. Once upon a time there was a king who was very fond of horses. He had 20 horses of the best breed. The horses were kept in the royal stable and cared by a caretaker. One night a thief stole one of the horses. Fearing punishment, the caretaker arranged the horses in the stable as shown in the picture here. The next day when the king came back to check on the horses, the caretaker led him around the square stable. Please count the number of horses along each side, your majesty, he said. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 1, 19. There are 19 horses, and in the starting you can see there were 20 horses. One horse is stolen by a thief. But what did the caretaker say to said to the kings? Let's see. The king counted 5 horses along each side. We have 5 horses along each side. There are 4 sides, so 5 fours are 20 horses, your majesty, the caretaker explained. Satisfied with the explanation, the king returned to his palace. But wait, were there really 20 horses in the stable? No, there are 19 horses. Count the horses one by one and check what was the mistake in the caretaker explanation. What was the mistake here, bachcho? Come back to previous page. Actually, this horse we are counting in this row and in this row as well. So we are counting this horse twice. That's why instead of 19 we are finding there are 20, but they are not 20, they are 19. Okay, so what happened next, bachcho? The following night the thief stole another horse from the stable. Now only 18 horses remained. The caretaker once again cleverly arranged the 18 horses so that there was 5 horses on each side of the square stable. How do you think he was able to do it? Arrange the 18 horses in the stable with 5 on each side. So bachcho, like in the previous case when there were 19 horses, the caretaker keep one horse at the junction of 2 rows. Okay, so a king counted that horse twice. So in the same way, when now you have 18 horses, it means 2 less horses than 20. So we will keep 2 horses at the junction of 2 rows. So 2 horses on the corner. So now you can make 5 horses on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is there already. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is already there. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is already there. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see here 5 are here, 5 are here, 5 are here and 5 are here, and when you will count they are 18 actually. Okay, how many horses can the thief steal before the king notice something is wrong? Try making the arrangement yourself. So like if there are 17 horses left, so what we will do, we will keep 3 horses at the corner. Okay, in this way we can arrange the horses. So we have to find how many more horses can the thief steal before the king notice. So we can do, bachcho, we can put maximum horses at the corner. So I'm doing this 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see here 5 horses are here, 5 are here, 5 are here, and 5 are here. But how many are there in total? Bachcho, they are total in 10. They are not 20. So this was our chapter 1 with the travelers one. Bachcho, see you in the next video. If this video is useful for you, so like, share and subscribe. Thank you.